Hey guys, this is Miss Gerke again here with another video overview of Chapter 5. Today we're looking at the fourth step in essay writing. All right, so we want to look at sentence revision and revising that essay. Sentence revision step number 1 would be parallelism, right? Words in a pair or a series that are balanced, right? So the pair, right, let's look at this. Smartphones allow us to communicate with friends and entertain ourselves. So here would be a series. My job includes checking the inventory, initialing the orders, and calling the suppliers. So there is a balance in the sentences and in the list, right? And the point of view must be consistent. So in verb tense, right, the gardener breaks up the hard earth with a shovel, adds peat moss and other compost, then blends the soil evenly, right? So breaks, adds, and blends are all in the same verb tense. All right, when looking at pronouns, though we like most of our neighbors, there are a few we can't get along with, right? So those pronouns, we, they, right? Sentence revision number 3, use specific words to create a vivid mental picture for your reader. So here's a general sentence. The plane landed at the airport. Here's more specific. The United Airlines 747 landed at Reagan National Airport. Much more specific. Sentence revision tip number 4, strive to make your subject do the action. The passive, the stream was diverted by the engineers, right? And here's an active tense, right? The engineers diverted the stream. So just think about that phrasing of your sentences. Sentence revision number 5. Good writing is direct and concise and not overly wordy or fluff, like I like to call it. In this paper, I am planning to describe the hobby that I enjoy of collecting old comic books, right? A concise way to say that would be I enjoy collecting old comic books. Sentence revision number 6. Have sentence variety. Is the spice of writing for similarities breeds monotony. There are 4 ways to execute sentence variety, so different kinds of sentences. Sentence variety 1, coordination. You have a single independent clause, bananas are on sale this week, and then add an independent clause with a coordinating conjunction. Bananas were on sale this week, so I bought a bunch for my lunch. Sentence variety number 2, subordination. Add a dependent clause. Even though I couldn't afford them, bananas were on sale this week. Sentence variety number 3, a special opening or phrase. Add, puzzled by their freshness, bananas were on sale this week. ING word, hoping to buy fresh fruit, bananas were on sale this week. LY word, surprisingly, bananas were on sale this week. Add to word group, right? To better move produce, bananas were on sale this week. And then a prepositional phrase. At the corner market, bananas were on sale this week, right? So just varying sentences. Sentence variety, including adjectives and verbs. Place adjectives or verbs in a series. Adjectives. I gently applied a sticky new band-aid to the deep rugged cut on my finger. See, adding those adjectives. And then varying your verbs. The truck bounced off the guardrail, sideswiped a tree, and plunged down the embankment. So here are some editing tips. Type and set your essay, and we're using APA format before editing, so make sure it's in the correct format, right? Use grammar and spell check apps. Use those applications, run the spell check. Use a print copy, so print your text out and read it as a print copy. Focus on one sentence at a time, and then type up your edits after you have fully worked through the printed text, okay? Editing tip number 2, knowing and using proofreading symbols may be helpful in economizing the editing process, right? So just thinking about how to note to yourself to change certain things without completely making the entire revision. And that's it for chapter 5, guys. I will see you in chapter 6.